Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, ScooterATVSales.com, customers and subscribers. So today I have in front of me, and I want to show off this search and rescue Honda 1999 450 5-speed manual transmission. It's a search and rescue setup, and it's in color red. As you can see, it has some heavy-duty racks here in the front. Here it has the gun rack here. Also, it has a holder here for GPS system or any other type of electronics. This is also a gun case here as needed. Again, it's a 5-speed 450 Honda 1999. This is a search and rescue setup, ATV. Again, this belongs to one of my customers that's in the search and rescue arena as well. Has the emergency lights on the back here, as you can see. Again, this is 4-wheel drive. Super cool looking. Has his fire extinguisher. Has the antenna for communication purposes as well. Definitely set up for search and rescue or any other type of response necessary. Has the front emergency lights as well. 4-wheel drive. Has the steel brush guards by Oxlide, as you can see in the front here. Walk around here to the left side. This is a very capable ATV. Again, it's called ATV 1. He has a few more of these lined up. Get an up close here of the cluster. Again, this is a Honda. Has his switches here to operate the various emergency features on it. 12-volt system here. This is a storage box for stuff that they may need. 12-volt power. Again, power outlet here as well. Again, different mounts on it. Here's a searchlight right here. So, yeah, I want to show you guys this vehicle. Has the hitch ball here in the back as well. You can see dual shocks in the back. Nicely set up, 1999, still running very strong. He has it serviced regularly, particularly since this is used for emergency purposes. Again, it's a Honda 450, 5-speed manual transmission. So I hope you guys enjoyed this little visit here on this particular one. ScooterATVSales.com. If you guys need parts, ScooterATVParts.com. And we'll see you guys soon. You guys take care. Bye-bye.